Great news, guys! Like 2 days ago, Perplexity received new update and one thing changed. Right now, collections are called spaces and there are few tweaks that we can use right now when doing our research or search. And this is amazing, and in this episode I want to talk about it. So stay with me and I will show you how it looks like right now and how you could use it, because believe me, this is just great. But it's late Saturday and you can't talk without the coffee, so come with me and we will make some delicious coffee. Our coffee is ready, so we are going to talk about Perplexity. Okay, so we can start. I will take only a sip of coffee. Oh, excellent. Previously, or so far, we had things called collections, and collections were aggregators for our threads, where every thread is like, as it says, it's your base, your search or research when it's the single chat with Perplexity. So collection was actually aggregator of these collections, and it has few great options you could use. Like collection had ability to define AI prompt, which then would be applied to all threads in this collection. That was great. It had also title, description, usual stuff. And of course, you could share a collection. And right now, space is something that is going to the next level. Like it's collection squared. Why? Because right now in the space you can also define which AI model all the threads will use in this collection, which is just great, because previously we could only set this or change it in your profiles setting. You have AI model which you can pick, and then it was applied to your every thread. And now you can change that also for every space. And this is great, because when you want to pick like best AI model to write code, which is Cloud Sonnet 3.5 right now, then you can create a collection about coding in specific technologies, assign Cloud there, and you are ready to go. But if you want to, use another model for some another reason, then you can create another collection, assign the correct model there, and all your threads will have applied this model. So this is amazing. But right now you can do even more. In your space you can assign or attach few files, and then with all your prompts you can work on this file. And wow, for me this is something great, because previously we could attach we would attach a file only to a single thread. So if you wanted to make more questions or more threads about this topic, you were forced to like upload and upload and upload again to approach the topic from the different site maybe, or ask completely different questions. You know what I mean? And right now you can have single space where you have your files attached. Like, you could like to learn clean coding and clean architecture by Uncle Bob, so you can attach those files to this collection and then explore the topic as much as you like. And with this you can go even further, because right now you can pick the correct focus tool. Sorry for a second, guys. Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. My wife with kids was in her dad's home for like hour or two, so I had the time to record this video, but they are back sooner than I expected, so I have to go way quicker to the point. So continuing the topic right now, you can explore this topic from different perspectives using different threads, and this is great option. And I like it very, very much. So my favorite tool for research and for search got even better right now. So I'm very happy for that update. And the thing that I'm waiting for is the native app for macOS, which will be soon, I guess. Maybe even it's today. I don't remember, but I know that it had to be in October that this app will be released on the App Store for macOS. So I will check that, and if it will be available, I will definitely make a video on this topic. And right now, I can only recommend for you to just use Perplexity AI for your work, for your research when you are learning, because this is just a great tool. So use this tool. If you are using Google at the moment, you should really try Perplexity AI instead. And one thing I forgot about. Probably you will use this only having Pro account. So if you don't have a Pro account, I strongly encourage you to pay for it, because it's totally worth it. Especially for everyone who is so-called knowledge worker. Then this is just must-have at current times for me, and period. You just need to have it and use it every day. I use it probably dozens of times every day when I work on my computer, or even working only with my iPhone. Right now I'm slowly finishing video about my 3 favorite features of Perplexity AI. So I strongly encourage you to play it right away, because you can just click it right here and you will see those 3 great features. See you there.